Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert seconds to days using iPhone calculator. Before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is click on the bottom left to make sure that the calculator is on the convert, then just click where 0 is in my case and go to time. And here you can choose any time. So let's say days to hours, so 85 days is 2000 hours. If you want to do it the other way, click on the arrows to make it different. Let's say 100 hours is 4 days. So then you can play around with it. So you can convert like days to microseconds, milliseconds, minute, nanoseconds, week, year, hours to, let's say, weeks. So 80 hours, it's not even 1 week. Let's say 900 hours, it's 5 weeks. So we can do like hours to days, seconds to minutes, seconds to hours, seconds to days, minutes to hours, minutes to days, hours to minutes. Like, you can play around with it and just switch the positions as you need it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.